Hey guys, I'm Austin. This is my 2020 YFZ450R. And today we're going to be putting some accessories on. Got the slip-on Yoshimura, the lonestar nerf bars, power commander, fuel controller, skid plate, block off plate, a few other little things, case saver, hand guards. Well, let's get into it. Alright guys, been installing the Dynajet Power Commander FC. Just want to show you how we routed the wires. It goes up, you go underneath this or your seat will hit it. It goes down and it plugs into the injector right there. I don't know if you can see it good, but right here behind the tank. Just go straight down, unplug your factory plug, plug it back into this other piece on the Power Commander. And then you drop down, bring your wire over here to your TPS and unplug it, plug the black one into your TPS sensor and then the white one back into the factory harness. And then you should have already downloaded your mat from Power Commander. There's some good videos on Power Commander's website on how to do that. Then just ground it and clean your wires up and take off riding.